It's time to big bang and boom ourselves into this new year with 15 events for Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So let's go and check it out. Time to relax and have the most amazing coffee break ever with Beautiful coffee in full color. Amazing fun pages for everybody to color and enjoy, and you can have so much fun. The link will be down in the description. Welcome back, Localtarians. It is Amanda, and I am here to kick off your new year. Hope you guys had an amazing holiday. We're going to be doing 15 events for each day for Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So let's get into it and see exactly what kind of fun things we got planned for this New Year's epic day. Let's go. Friday, 10 a.m. Hot Wheels Race to Win at Orlando Science Center. $18 to $24, going on only until January 8th, so don't miss it. 12 p.m. From the Andes to the West Indies at Orlando Museum of Art. $20, going on Tuesdays through Sunday till January 8th. 12 p.m. Escape Artist, the final seance escape room at the Great Escape Room. $35, going on until December 31st. Hurry, your time is almost up. 3 p.m. The Whale at Enzian Theater. 5 p.m. Beautiful Music Painted Black Orchestra at Charles Hosmer Morse Museum of American Art. Come on out to this great free event. 5 p.m. on Friday, Krampus Con at Crush Brawl Park in Kissimmee. $5 to $25. Come on out and get the rest of your holidays spirits chased away. 5 p.m. New Year's Eve, champagne and wine tasting with Winter Park Wine at Hometown Furniture and Decor Market. Now that sounds like a great way to chase in the new year. 6 p.m. The Out of Control Magic Comedy Holiday Dinner Show at Wonderworks Orlando. $23.99 up to $61.99. This will be ending on the 1st, so make sure you get out there before the magic's gone. 6 p.m. on Friday, Lilacs, new paintings by Jackie Giuristi at Stardust Video and Coffee. Free event going on until January 2nd. 6 p.m. Magic City Hippies, Cannibal Kids at The Social. $22.50 coming out and celebrate this New Year's weekend with a little music. 7 p.m. For those of you like myself that don't believe that Halloween's over, well, maybe it's not. 7 p.m. Santa's Summoning, Haunted Trail and Market at Warriors Sports Park. $15. Come on out and get a little spooky. 7 p.m. Open mic night at Shifting Souls. Come on out and let them see what you got. 7:30 p.m. Brave Weather, Stay-at-Home Astronauts, I Met a Yeti, Hungover, playing live at the Abbey. Only $13 to get into this amazing show, guys. I love Hungover. I definitely have a few friends also in I Met a Yeti, and it is amazing music. So get out there, enjoy. I'm sure the other bands are amazing as well. Haven't had the pleasure, but maybe I might have to pop into this one myself. 7:30 p.m. Pirates Dinner Adventure Christmas at Pirates Dinner Adventure. $67.95 going on Skinny McGee and his Mayhem Makers. Ahoy matey. The Tchotchkes, Decker and Dimtrov at Will's Pub. $6 to $8 coming out. Support local music in your community. That should be your New Year's resolution, guys. And last but not least, for your Friday night, 10 p.m., Afro New Year Masquerade at Sky Lounge, Orlando. All right, guys, looking for even more great events? As always, we do have more of our Local Love Orlando Entertainment Facebook page. Make sure you follow us over there. We do promote a lot of events there and have that everyday event post pinned to the top of our page. That way you never miss the fun. All right, guys, let's bring it into Saturday. All right, guys, 9 a.m., Barbara Sorensen, Billows at Rollins Museum of Art. This free event will be going on till December 31st, so that'll be the last day to check it out. Make sure you don't miss it. 11 a.m., New Year's Eve daytime party at Boxy Park. Come on out for this free fun event. 5 p.m. New Year's Eve Ultra Miami Takeover at the Tin Roof. $20 and up. Come on out and check out what's going on at the Icon Park. $6 p.m. Circuit Church, New Year's Eve at the Nook on Robinson. Come on out to this free event and let the Nook know that Local Love sent you their way. 6 p.m. on Saturday, New Year's Eve at Whippoorwill Beer House and Package Store. Come on out and celebrate with all the amazing local beers they have in stock. It's definitely going to be a good time. 6:30 p.m. New Year's Eve at Mango's Tropical Cafe, Orlando. $100 coming out. This is going to be an epic New Year's Eve party, so make sure you show up dressed to impress. 7 p.m. New Year's Eve Gala at German American Society of Central Florida. $70 to $90. Come on out, help support the community in this amazing, amazing society. And I know they're going to feed you some good food. So you might want to show up for this one. 7 p.m. on Saturday, Time Warp, New Year's Eve at Ace Cafe Orlando downtown. $25 to $65. You know they're going to throw an amazing party. Come on out and get your fill of some New Year's Eve fun. 7 p.m. 2023 New Year's Eve around the world at Ice Bar Orlando. $75 to $175. And if you think it's cold outside, wait till you get the chill of being in there on a block of ice. Gonna be a lot of fun though. Definitely going to be beautiful, so make sure you come check it out. 7:30 p.m. a New Year's Eve adventure at Cloak and Blaster. Guys, this little gaming place is amazing. If you've never been, you should definitely come check it out. $12 will get you into the party, and you are definitely in store for some fun. 8 p.m. Ball Drop Soiree New Year's Eve party at Ivanhoe Park Brewing Company. Free up to $50 to go to this amazing party. Come on out. You know the beer's good. There's going to be a lot of fun, so come have a great New Year's Eve. Make sure, guys, that while we're on the subject of drinking on these amazing events, make sure that you definitely designate a driver and stay safe. 9 p.m. New Year's Eve at Howl at the Moon, Orlando. $75. You can come out, enjoy their fun, amazing atmosphere, and, you know, pretty good food too. So come check it out, have a few drinks, and let them know that I said hey. 9 p.m. Party Like Gatsby at Eve, Orlando. Ooh, there we are with the Gatsby theme. Guys, get dressed up in your favorite flapper gear or what have you from the era. $40 up to $110. This is going to be the party to beat. So come on out and check it out. 9 p.m. on Saturday, Manchester Burning Exploit Brit Pop at Stardust Video and Coffee. Come on out for this free event and enjoy some amazing music and a fun toast into the new year. And last but not least, for your Saturday, New Year's Eve night, New Year's Eve with Shine and the Shakers at Little Indies. This free event is going to be a lot of fun, so come check it out. Grab you some craft cocktails, check out the amazing art. You can't go wrong. All right, guys, and as we mentioned, there were just too many events to put into this, so don't forget to go over to our local Love Orlando Entertainment Facebook page. Yeah, I know, I'm old. Facebook, what are you going to do? But it gets me a chance to get the message out to you guys, and I can pin those posts every single day up there for you guys to enjoy all year long. And there were a lot of other events, so make sure you check it out. There's some real unique stuff out there, and we did the best we could to get everything into this video. All right, guys, let's bring it in for what we would normally say is the calmer side of the week. Let's go to New Year's Day, Sunday. 9 a.m. Neverland, The Lost Adventure at Harry P. Lou Gardens. This will be going on until March 1st, so come on out with the little ones and have an adventure. 9 a.m. on Sunday, Holiday Blooms at Harry P. Lou Gardens. 9 a.m. Ice, How the Grinch Stole Christmas at Gaylord Palms Resort, $19.99 to $39.99, and it ends January 1st. 11 a.m. New Year's Brunch at the Veranda at Thornton Park, $100 to $125 to come in and enjoy this amazing feast. 11 a.m. on Sunday, Drag Brunch, Comedy Queens at Island Time. 11 a.m. Dinos and Lights Holiday Show at Orlando Science Center. Free up to $24, going on until January 1st. So make sure you get out there and see how the dinosaurs glow. 12 p.m. Kegs and Eggs at District Dive. Bacon, sausage, eggs, toast, and a domestic draft. Mimosa or Bloody Mary. 21 and up. $11.23 to get into this amazing event. 12 p.m. on Sunday. Fairy and Flowers Fantasy Art. How to paint acrylics for beginners. A step-by-step tutorial. This one's going to be online, so we're going to put the link down in the description so that you can have a little fun on the first day of the year. 4 p.m. on Sunday, Ukuleleans Jam Big Deaf Special at Will's Pub. Come on out to this free event. I promise you're going to love it. 5:30 p.m. Dazzling Nights at Harry P. Lou Gardens. It'll be going on from 5:30 to 9 p.m. every 15 minutes. $12 to $200 to come out and enjoy this amazing bright and light production that they have going on till January 1st. 6 p.m. Ranger Trucco at Elixir. And it's free up to $10 to come in and support local music. 6 p.m. on Sunday, Asian Lantern Festival Into the Wild at Central Florida Zoo and Botanical Gardens. $19.99 to $21.99. Various dates till January 15th. 7 p.m. DJ Art Beats at Mango's Tropical Cafe Orlando. $35 and up. Come on out and jam with the best of them out there on the drive. And last but not least, for your new year, 9 p.m. Shine Light Show at Gaylord Palms. Come on out to this last chance to see this free light show at the Gaylord Palms. Come on out and enjoy an amazing array of beautiful lights to say goodbye to that Christmas season. And hello to the new year. Well, everybody, it has been an amazing train ride this year. I hope that you guys have all had an amazing time and gotten to see a lot of things that you wouldn't have expected to see, in a good way, of course. Hope you and your family have some amazing and unique resolutions planned, hopefully. And we would love to hear them, so drop us a comment down below and let us know what they are. And guys, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, because of course we are looking to hit 250 subscribers here on our YouTube channel, because when we hit 250 subscribers, we're going to do a new crazy hair time. It's going to be a color extravaganza, so don't miss out. And guys, Happy New Year. We'll see you guys next year.
Don't forget to like and subscribe and share with all your friends.
And hit that bell so you know when we have a new video.